For this part of the walkthrough, we're going to be looking at an inferior view of the brain. So again, this is the anterior side of the brain. This is the posterior side of the brain. Now I'm going to work anterior to posterior. So this structure right here, this is the olfactory bulb. So this is where the olfactory nerve will attach to. And posterior to that, we have the olfactory tract, which runs back this way. So olfactory bulb, olfactory tract. Again, we're looking at the frontal lobe right here. So this part of the cerebrum is the frontal lobe, and temporal lobes are here and here. Now, this round structure is the pituitary gland. I'm going to rotate the brain just a little bit, and you'll be able to see here's the pituitary gland, and then there's this stalk that connects the pituitary gland to the hypothalamus. That's the infundibulum. Now if we go back here, moving backwards, we have the brain stem. And keep in mind, this is inferior and this is superior. So this part right here is the spinal cord. This is the medulla oblongata. Then this wide part here is the pons, and the midbrain would be up here. So again, this is cardiovascular respiratory, basic function. Pons is breathing in and out and connecting some of these structures to other places. And the midbrain is the connection then to the thalamus. And then back here, here, and here, we have the cerebellum. And then back here, if we're looking at lobes, here's the occipital lobe. Now there are some structures underneath the pituitary that are a little hard to see. So I'm going to look at a slightly different model here. So again, here's the olfactory bulb and olfactory tract. Now these two structures, right here and here, those are the optic nerves. Now normally the pituitary would sit right above those and you would be hard to see them. These optic nerves come back and they cross. So right here where they cross, this is the optic chiasm or optic chiasma. And then as we go posteriorly, this becomes the optic tract. So here and here, those things are the optic tract. And then this part of the brain that's right behind that, that's the hypothalamus.